Now race number 7. And they're on their way. Superior Arc shows alertness at the start. Tiago is running in second, running by the Real Sugar Daddy. Followed over by the Force Rasputin. Then in between runners comes Hakuna Matata, and trailing the group Abasta. As they rounded the last 600, Superior Arc getting closer. In second is Tiago. The Force now running in third, running by the Real Sugar Daddy. Then comes Hakuna Matata, Rasputin, and Abasta is running at the tail of the field as they turn for home. Tiago now takes Superior Arc running by the rail. The Force is racing in third. And down the stretch and leading the finish line. Superior Arc, Tiago on the outside, and the Force. We have Tiago. The Force is on the outside, and finally the Force. Tiago, Superior Arc, Hakuna Matata, Sugar Daddy, Abasta, Rasputin comes in last.
6574.